Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to integrate Stripe payment gateway to any website, and this is actually very easy because what I'm going to tell you is what it says on the official Stripe website. At first, you're going to create a Stripe account and then you're going to obtain your API keys. You can do that just by heading into your dashboard, into developers, and then you're going to find your API keys there, and then you're going to install the Stripe's libraries, and then you're going to integrate Stripe on your website. The front end, you can use WordPress, and the plugin would be WooCommerce, and for backend you need a developer or something like that. After that, you're going to set up a server-side endpoint, and finally you're going to collect payment details on the connect sides and then submit payment information to your server, process the payment on the server side, handle the response and update to your website, and then you're going to see if there are any errors and edge cases. Finally, you're going to test the integration and go live. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.